Is your LG Smart TV showing a black screen but you can still hear sound? Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you 5 quick and easy fixes that can solve this frustrating issue in just a few minutes. Step 1. Power cycle. Your TV. First, turn off your TV, unplug it from the wall, and wait at least 1 full minute. Then plug it back in and turn it on. Many times, a simple reset clears temporary glitches. Step 2. Check HDMI cables and ports. Loose or faulty HDMI cables can cause a black screen. Remove and reinsert the HDMI cable firmly, or try switching it to another port. If possible, test with a new HDMI cable. Step 3. Adjust TV picture settings. On your remote, press the gear icon, go to Picture Settings, and make sure brightness, contrast, and picture mode are properly set. Sometimes incorrect settings make the screen appear black. Step 4. Update LG TV software. Go to Settings, All Settings, Support, Software Update. Install the latest version. Updating software fixes bugs and display errors. Step 5. Perform a factory reset. If nothing works, do a factory reset. Go to Settings, All Settings, General, Reset to Initial Settings. This clears all issues but resets your TV to default mode. That's it. One of these methods should fix your LG Smart TV black screen issue. If it helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with others facing the same problem.